Welcome. Today we'll show you how to create a poll on your Facebook stories. Let's dive into the steps to add a poll to your Facebook story. Step 1. Begin by opening the Facebook app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on Create Story to start crafting your Facebook story. Step 3. Select Photo to choose an image to include in your story. Step 4. Look for the sticker icon at the top of the screen and tap on it. Step 5. Among the sticker options, locate the poll icon and tap on it to insert a poll into your story. Step 6. Enter your question and provide the response options for your poll. Then tap Done to confirm. Step 7. To share your story with the poll, tap on Share to post it on your Facebook story. By following these steps, you can easily incorporate interactive polls into your Facebook stories to engage your friends and followers. Polls are a fun and interactive way to gather opinions and insights from your audience in a dynamic and engaging manner. Utilizing polls in your Facebook stories can boost engagement and make your content more interactive and entertaining for your viewers. Experiment with different poll questions and options to encourage participation and spark conversations among your audience. We hope this guide helps you in creating compelling polls on your Facebook stories. Thank you for tuning in.